My name is Pat Iyer. I started a successful legal nurse consulting business in 1989. I mentor nurses who want to become legal nurse consultants. Here's a tip about marketing to attorneys. Instead of focusing on your services, focus on the needs of your prospect. Think of your prospect's problems. Here are 3 examples. An attorney is sitting in the office with cases, some of which involve areas of medicine. She needs to get up to speed on a certain area of medicine. For example, she may have a medical malpractice case and want to know what's involved from a scientific or standard of care perspective. She has to explain that to the client in a relatively efficient way. That's the problem running through her head. She needs you to teach her the medicine. Secondly, another problem that might run through the attorney's head is, I've got all these cases and they're getting backed up. I'm getting new sets of medical records coming in every day. I don't have time to go through them all. I can't read half of them because the handwriting is bad. The electronic medical records are a mess because they're cutting and pasting. So the second problem would be the attorney needs someone who can go through all of those medical records and get them off her desk and give her something that she can read and understand and explain to the insurance adjuster and client. Third, the third big problem that preoccupies plaintiff attorneys in particular is the insurance industry and defense attorneys have lots of money. They seem to have no trouble finding experts. I need someone who can actually go out and do the hard work that's involved in getting legitimate experts. You can do that work for the attorney by finding expert witnesses. The attorney really doesn't care about your background. She doesn't care about your big long list of services if it isn't offering a solution to one of her problems. In fact, the more services you list on the front end of your marketing, the more you shout, I'm just average. I'm just like everybody else. She doesn't really care about your guarantee. She just needs work taken off of her desk. I provide an entire chapter on how you can demonstrate your expertise to your clients in my book, Secrets of Expanding a Legal Nurse Consulting Business. Go to the link below on www.patiyer.com, and while you're on my site, grab your free ebooks, 275 tips about medical records, a guide for legal nurse consultants, 24 nursing documentation mistakes that could get you sued, and the ABCs of medical abbreviations. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and add your comments or likes.